All right, Brad, check it out. He's got a terrific question on cold emails. There's a huge mistake that all of us make in terms of cold emails. What we try and do is we try and create an email that's like a mini sales pitch, right? We want to try and sell somebody through this cold email. Completely wrong thing to do. People just open those up, if they open them up at all, and they just delete. We get lazy. We create these templates. Brad, it's a lot easier than you think. Here's what you need to do. 3-part recipe. Your email needs to be very short. Part number 1, tell them who you are. Part number 2, tell them how you're connected. And part number 3, let them know you've got an idea that you'd love to get their opinion on. Sounds like this in the email. Hey, Brad, it's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. I've got an idea around your marketing services that I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you call me on my mobile? That's how you get them to respond to your email.